Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Fire Stick under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Fire Stick streaming experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Fire Stick users? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your streaming activity and personal info stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get kicked offline or exposed while watching your favorite shows. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you stream or where you connect. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Fire Stick. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Fire Stick because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be loaded with trackers or annoying pop-ups even when the VPN is off. It also has this cool tool called MeshNet, letting you create secure private networks for sharing files or streaming sources on your local network. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can use your Fire Stick, phone, tablet, and PC all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Fire Stick user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Fire Stick user dealing with buffering or slow streams, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for faster connections. This can help route your streaming traffic for a smoother experience. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Fire Stick? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less buffering and smoother streaming. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you choose. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if smooth streaming and fast speeds are your top priorities, and you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Choose IPVanish if you have lots of devices or a whole household streaming on multiple Fire Sticks. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Fire Stick user who needs solid proof to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running on your Fire Stick. See you soon.